डियर चिल्ड्रन, लास्ट डे आपको कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट पढ़ा रहा था। इसमें आपको नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में पढ़ा चुका था, लेकिन फिर से देखें, नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर एनवायरनमेंट। एवरी सिंस द dawn of civilization, man has been continuously altering his natural environment. His economic activities have led to permanent change in the environment. These excessive changes have harmfully affected the natural environment of organisms. The need to protect our environment stems from the following facts. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides us our water, air, food, which are essential for our existence. It provides us many useful resources such as wood, fuel, mineral, energy. All the economic activities of man adversely affect the environment. Irrational and non-judicial use of natural resources like forest, pasture, agriculture, land and minerals has already damaged the environment. If we do not check the irrational use of our resources, it will have serious and probably fatal consequences for mankind. Domains are spheres of environment. The environment may be broadly divided into four major realms. Domains are spheres: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में चार स्फीयर पाए जाते हैं, फोर टाइप, मतलब इसको पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है स्टडी के आधार पर। स्टडी करने के लिए कौन कौन है? एटमॉस्फेयर, लिथोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर एंड बायोस्फीयर। अब व्हाट इज द एटमॉस्फेयर? कहते हैं एटमॉस्फेयर इज द गैसियस एनवलप। एटमॉस्फेयर इज ए गैसियस एनवलप सराउंडिंग द अर्थ. The elements of atmosphere such as temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, rainfall combine to produce weather and climate. Both of such affect natural process, soil formation, natural vegetation, animal life and above all life and activities of man. ये सारी चीज़ें एटमॉस्फेयर में होती हैं हमारी। The atmosphere is attached to the earth by the force of gravitation. It protects us from scorching heat and ultraviolet radiation of the sun. It provides necessary conditions for the existence and growth of all forms of life on the earth. अब lithosphere क्या है? Litho means rock. The layer of the earth made of rock material. हमारी पृथ्वी बनी है राख से बनी है। It extends over the continents and ocean basin. The average thickness of the lithosphere is about 100 km. It is composed of rocks rich in silica, aluminum, magnesium, iron and many other minerals. The uppermost layer of the lithosphere is known as crust. पृथ्वी के ऊपरी भाग को हम क्रस्ट कहते हैं और इन साइड को अलग अलग नामों से जानते हैं, अभी आपको बताते हैं। लिथोस्फीयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड अस लैंड टू लिव ऑन एंड सॉइल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट. इट आल्सो प्रोवाइड अस नंबर ऑफ मिनरल्स विच आर एसेंशियल फॉर इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. मोस्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज आर confined to this domains of the environment. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water. Is the realm of water. It includes all water bodies as ocean, sea, lake, river, etc. It covers nearly 71% of the Earth's surface the Earth is known as water planet or blue planet because it has an abundance of water. Oceans are the largest water bodies on the Earth. They link various landmasses, continents. They play a major role in determining the climate and in hydrological cycle. Ocean and sea generally have a moderating effect on the coastal region. They are also important as storehouse of food. They provide us fish and other seafood. They also contain useful minerals such as petroleum and natural gas. In their beds, they are also useful for navigation and international trade. River and lake are important freshwater bodies which provide us potable water used for many purposes, including irrigation. Biosphere is the domain of life. It is very narrow zone of the earth where lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere interact with each other. It is a life supporting layer which surrounds the earth and make plant and animal life possible. The average thickness of the layer is about 29 km. Most of the plants and animals are found on or near the surface of the land. It is important to note that marine life is concentrated near the surface of where food in the form of marine and microplants is available. Marine life, however, different from the life on the land. Microorganisms are present in atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Thus, biosphere is a narrow zone of life where all forms of life exist on the earth. Now next day, ecosystem.